Mrs. Lewis, my name is Stewart. I assume you found the button unit.
The what?
The button unit. The box we left on your doorstep.
Yeah, we found it.
May I come in? Lovely home you have, Mrs. Lewis.
What, are you kidding?
Is your husband home?
He works nights.
Really?
Yeah, really.
May I sit? This won't take much of your time. Inside this envelope is my card and the key that unlocks the dome of the button unit. Fits into this slot in the side, like so. In this way, you can push the button.
So?
So, when you push the button, two things will happen. First, someone whom you do not know will die.
You're kidding.
It's an unexpected idea. It takes some getting used to. But let me finish. So the person who dies will be someone you don't even know. And then afterward, you will receive $200,000 tax-free. And that's all there is to it.